Hello Fameshyne family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Fameshyne. Semi. Is it too late to say Happy New Year? I don't think so. So Happy New Year to all of you, my existing Fameshyne subscribers, and to the new members of my Fameshyne family. You are highly welcome. Welcome to a wonderful 2022. I feel this strongly for myself, and I feel it for somebody watching me right now. This year 2022 is your year of abundance. It is our year of multiple blessings. Just have an open heart to be able to receive. Have an open heart and open mind to be able to receive all the blessings God has in store for us this year. I am going to have to reintroduce my YouTube channel. It's still called Fameshyne, and on this channel, before we used to do lifestyle, beauty, and fashion, but this year we are rebranding, baby. We are rebranding. So on this channel now, we do lifestyle and growth talks. Having said that, right, so what I have to share with you today is concerning financial breakthrough in terms of technology and social media. I'm telling you, if you think or if you thought you knew about social media and influencing and making money, you are about to be exposed to a whole new level of social media. This year, our lives will literally transform with social media in a different way. This is going to eliminate poverty for most people if you follow through it. So all you have to do is to stay with me, get your popcorn, get your pen and paper to be blessed. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna go straight into this video. Spill the tea. Finally, what is this? What is this? I know you just sat there eager to hear what Fame has got to say. Right. What I have to talk about today is NFT and Metaverse. I'm sure some of you all must have somehow come across clips or people talking about this NFTs and this Metaverse, and maybe you've just waved it aside because you're like, oh gosh, what are these people even talking about? Like, it's not making no sense to you, but I'm going to try to make it make sense to you because it took me time to actually take it in, understand it, and see the future and see the breakthrough in it. So let's start with NFT. So NFT simply means non-fungible token. I know that sounds so big. I'm going to define NFT and tell you the meaning of NFT, the types of NFTs, and what scenarios NFTs are used. That will take us to talking about Metaverse. So let's start with NFT. Like I said, NFT means non-fungible tokens. So fungible, first of all, means replaceable, switchable, changeable. The reverse now, it's non-fungible. So it is a non-replaceable, non-switchable token. For example, if you have £100 note, if you break it into different denominations, you break it into 20 pounds, 10 pounds, into different denominations, you will still get £100 in it. But this NFT, it is a digital asset that if you break it down, if you switch it, it's going to give you a different thing altogether. It is non-switchable, it is non-replaceable, it is only unique to the creator or to the buyer. So if you create an NFT, you have the right of ownership. Nobody can replace it, nobody can switch it, nobody can reproduce it unless you sell it to someone else. Right. Going forward, it is a digital asset using a digital world, using a blockchain technology. A blockchain technology is simply a technology where currencies are being traded, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ether, Ethereum, all those things uses a blockchain technology. So we have different types of NFTs. So these NFTs, these non-fungible tokens I am talking about, they are in different types. They come in arts, games, fashion, experience, musics. I feel so excited literally telling you about this because it's so exciting. Anyway, so these are the types of NFTs that you can create and buy and sell it using a blockchain. You see, knowledge is power. Knowledge is key. Look at you sat there in your house, even me before now. I didn't know about anything like this, and we already have celebrities. We have people making money, billions, millions of dollars, of pounds, creating, owning, selling, buying NFTs, buying this non-fungible tokens. We have the likes of Katy Perry. Katy Perry has launched her NFT collection. We have the likes of Melania Trump, you know, the wife of Donald Trump. She has launched her own NFT collection. We have the like of Justin Bieber, Floyd Mayweather. They all currently own an NFT. Paris Hilton. Recently, one of the Kardashians was trying to purchase an NFT of an ordinary individual, but because that individual knows what he has, he knows the worth of what he has, he refused to sell it. Like, I'm telling you, this is huge. This is the way forward. This is the next level to making money. This is the next level to financial breakthrough. Stay with me. Going forward, where can these NFTs be used? What are they used for? How can it be of impact to me? So literally, NFT can be used in a digital world. It is a digital asset. You can't use it in our physical world. It has to be used in a digital world, like the metaverse. So that brings us to defining what metaverse is all about. So metaverse is simply a digital world. It is a different world altogether. Like literally, it's a step, not even a step, it's like 10 times further than what you used to know about social media. Metaverse is like the next level of your social media usage. You know, the way you send pictures, the way you send videos, the way you send snaps, the way you send messages. Literally, what metaverse is all about is that you will be living in the social media. I don't know if any of you heard when Mark Zuckerberg mentioned sometime in 2021 that Facebook is going to be moving into metaverse. That means it's going to move from ordinary sending a text message, sat in your house, the other person is wherever he or she is sending message, to you actually having the experience just with the use of a VR set.
We've gone from desktop to web to phones, from text to photos to video, but this isn't the end of the line. The next platform and medium will be even more immersive, an embodied internet where you're in the experience, not just looking at it. And we call this the Metaverse. And you're going to be able to do almost anything you can imagine. Get together with friends and family, work, learn, play, shop, create, as well as entirely new categories that don't really fit how we think about computers or phones today.
Connecting via the metaverse, interacting to earn money. People will be playing games, hosting parties, doing things like that to earn money. So now the metaverse is like a different world of its own. It is a digital world where a lot of experiences can happen in the metaverse. You can go to club in the metaverse. You can go to social gatherings. You can own pieces of land in the metaverse. You can host events in the metaverse. Just like I saw online the other day, Justin Bieber hosted his first concert in the metaverse. So literally what this means, like, people are going to be spending outrageous amount of time living in this metaverse. It is the next level of communication. It is the next level of connection. Like, someone can be miles away. As soon as you put on this VR set, you literally feel like you're in the same room with this person. So NFTs they are the assets we use in the metaverse. The most popular ones now are art and games, but I'm here to tell you that NFTs and metaverse goes beyond art and games. It is literally going to take over the fashion world, and people can make lots of money owning, creating, buying or selling an NFT to be used in the metaverse. Because like I said, metaverse is a digital world. It's a different experience on its own. Now people need things like outfits, people need things like games, people need lands, people need social cycles, people need things to function in this metaverse. So the things you wear in this metaverse, the things you use in this metaverse, in this digital world, they are the NFTs. I don't know if I'm making sense. Now you can literally make lots of money by creating an NFT. I would make an example with Snapchat filters. So you know how when you go to Snapchat and you make a video using one of the filters, let's use for example the dog filter is the most popular one on Snapchat. You take the features of a dog, the tongue, the ears, and you make a video and you take a picture. This is literally like how an NFT is, but this time around you are buying it, you are creating it, you are selling it. The Snapchat filters are free, but NFTs, you have to purchase them, you have to sell them using a blockchain technology. You have to use things like cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins, Ether, Ethereum to like do the transaction of an NFT. So basically, how do you own an NFT? In my next video, I will try to do subsequent videos giving you step-by-step ways of creating and selling or buying an NFT and how it is used in the metaverse. I'm gonna say this, metaverse is like an online world. It goes beyond sitting down in your house and sending a message, sending a picture, sending a video. It is an online world on its own. You can take up the form of, for example, you see the form of your favorite Disney characters like Frozen, Princess Fiona, and things like that. Imagine wanting to be a character like that, and you can actually be it. Like, it is what we call avatar. So avatars are NFTs as well, because when people are in this is my current self, but if I want to go into the metaverse, when I put on my VR set, I need to have an avatar of myself. Or if I want to take up the personality of a favorite movie character or a favorite Disney character, I have to buy an avatar that looks like that, so that whenever I am going into the metaverse, I am appearing as this Disney character. Does that make sense? So imagine if you can create an avatar and people are going to buy. If you can have a very unique avatar and people will buy it, because this is going to be huge. People are going to want to be living in this metaverse. Because in the metaverse, you can literally do anything. You can work in the metaverse. The physical work place is going to literally go into the metaverse. Companies are going to be hosting meetings in the metaverse. People are going to be raising properties, building houses, owning things in the metaverse. Like, let me just say this, you can literally be poor in the outside world and be rich in the metaverse. Don't panic. I know you're going to say, why would I be rich in an online world and be poor in the physical? You can transfer your online wealth to a physical wealth, but that's a story for another day. As we go through this gradually, we're all coming to learn about this thing. If you go online, people are still learning about this thing. People are so excited trying to figure out what to do. There are stories of youngsters, young boys and young girls, people that are creating avatars, just ordinary pieces of things. You can just draw a little cartoon character and just sell it in your crypto wallets, and you're making billions of money. Like Apple is coming into metaverse. JD Sports is coming into metaverse. Some group of celebrities are going to be hosting a club in the metaverse. Literally, I'm telling you, it's exciting. NFTs, you have to buy them using digital money. You get what I'm saying? That is why it is a transaction made using the blockchain technology. It is a digital asset used in a digital world, and the transaction can be made using digital money like cryptocurrencies. Okay, so you need to be creating a crypto wallet and doing all of that. I will take you through step-by-step process in my next video. I just want to leave this with you to take it in. This is just an introductory video to what NFT and Metaverse is about and how it is going to take us to another level in this year 2022. Like literally, this technology is going to eliminate poverty, because literally anybody can be rich and make so much money with this technology. Okay, so stay tuned and watch out for my next video on NFT and Metaverse, how to create an NFT. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just take it in, do your own personal research, and stay with me as I do more videos, try to explain ways how you can make money with the NFT technology, with the NFT and Metaverse using the blockchain technology. I will see you in my next video. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will get notified. Stay blessed. Happy 2022.